Okay, so I think I talked about it. Like I just bought my first camera. It's a Canon M50. It's a cheap camera. It cost me Mark II. It cost me $700, and I don't know a lot about of cameras, but I am really impressed with this one. With this camera, like I am satisfied. I'm okay for a beginner guy. Like I prefer it over filming with my phone, especially in low light condition. But anyway, but one thing that I didn't like about it was its audio. Like it's still better than my phone, but it wasn't like satisfactory for me what I am saying. But I didn't like the quality of it. So I searched about in the internet, and there was two options. It was the Rode Mini mic. I think that's what it's called, because the body of this camera is very very small, and BOYA. And BOYA was cheaper, like was half the price of the Rode, so I bought it, and it just arrived today. One of the things that I don't like about this camera specifically, even though like I am okay with this, it's gonna be my camera for at least a year or so, is when you are shooting in 4K. I don't know a lot about cameras, but when you are shooting 4K on the M50 Mark II, it like zoom in. I don't know what to call it. Like the frame look like cropped up. Like when I change to 180p, like you can see way too much. But now like I am literally putting the camera way far away to get myself. But anyway, this is the mic called BOYA. We're gonna unbox it together. So in the box you have this shit. You have the one for the wind. Probably not gonna use it. It's way too big. The mic itself, I think the thing is inverted, because like the mic itself, the holder thing, there is a pouch. One of the things that I like about this specific mic and about a small camera, this one doesn't require its own power or charging, because I noticed like a lot of YouTubers using big cameras with the big Rode mic, that I think probably you need to charge it, which I fucking hate. Like that's way too much work to get a small vlog. Like you had to charge your camera, charge the mic, charge so many things, I think. But this one look like it just required the power from the camera itself. The the little pouch has two cable. We're only gonna need one. There is the pouch. We're gonna need one, and we're gonna save this one maybe in the future. So this is the holder. Now I think you are hearing me from the mic, the built-in mic in the camera. I am so sorry for my accent. I don't know if my English is clear or not, but you're gonna work. I think it's the opposite. I think the long one should do this. And we're gonna do it. I forgot, where is it? Oh, the mic thing is in front of the screen. Okay, I really hope so. I am gonna plug it right now. I really hope it sounds really good. Okay, so I am plugging it right now. Okay, so okay, so I think if you watched the part before this, like the mic didn't pick up any audio, and that's because there was in the back there was two cables. One of them I have microphone. I don't know if you can see it, but I have microphone and smartphone, and this one that I was connecting the mic to the camera, and there is this one that I have now that said camera to microphone. And even that, like, I did switch them, like this one should be in the mic itself and the other one should be in the camera, and I did switch them and they didn't pick the audio also, so I got mad. So this is the last test. This is, I think, I really hope it did pick the audio, but yeah, so this is what a BOYA mic sound like, and please read your construction first before, because I really thought the mic was broken or something, and I really don't want to send it back and all the stuff. So let's see if this thing picked up errors, and if it did, that's it. This is the BOYA mic, and yeah, I'm gonna go rest because today I had shoulder days and I am really tired. Like, I did overwork them. It's my first week, so like my body just like remembering how to train again. And yeah, if you have any question about the mic, about the camera and all editing and stuff, leave them in the comment, and I am happy to answer. Thank you. So this is with the mic plugged into the camera, and this one without the mic plugged into the camera. This with the mic plugged in. I am plugged in right now, and this is the audio without the mic plugged in.